In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Microsoft Outlook Calendar. To start, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp workspace. Open your browser, go to the ClickUp website, and sign in with your usual account details. Once you're in, you should see your normal workspace view with your spaces, tasks, and everything else you typically work with. Now, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. This is your main navigation column. If you don't immediately see all the options, that's okay. Near the bottom of that left-hand column, you'll find an option labeled More. Go ahead and click on More. This expands an additional set of tools and settings that aren't visible by default. From the expanded options, look for one called Apps. This is where ClickUp keeps its integrations and add-ons. Click on Apps to open the integrations page. It might take a second to load, but once it does, you'll see a list of different apps and services that can connect with ClickUp. On this page, scroll until you find the option labeled Outlook Calendar. The icons and names are usually grouped, so take a moment to scan carefully. When you see Outlook Calendar, click on it to open the integration details. This section explains what the integration does and what kind of access it needs. Inside the Outlook Calendar integration view, you'll see a button that says Connect. Click that Connect button to start linking your ClickUp account with your Microsoft Outlook calendar. As soon as you do this, ClickUp will open a new window or pop-up to let Microsoft handle the sign-in and permissions. In this pop-up, you'll be asked to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you're already signed in elsewhere, you might see a list of accounts to choose from. If not, you'll see a sign-in field. Click into the email or username field, type in the email address associated with your Outlook calendar, and then click Next. Follow any additional prompts, such as entering your password or approving access. Once you confirm and grant permission, the pop-up will close or redirect, and you'll be taken back into ClickUp. At this point, your ClickUp workspace will be connected to your Microsoft Outlook calendar, allowing tasks and events to stay in sync so you can manage your schedule more efficiently in one place.